Hi, welcome back to Chadwick Model Railway. I'm Charlie. And this isn't a Chadwick video, this is a video that I'm making on behalf of David Townend of McKinley Railway. Now I know David is a personal friend and I go down there regularly and shoot and edit and produce his videos. Now McKinley Railway is located on the second floor of a Bournemouth townhouse and is one of Britain's most exciting model railways. A world in miniature which combines the nostalgia of the late steam days of British railways with the advent of the high-speed trains in the 1970s. Now David's looking to recruit a model maintenance technician on a 2-day-a-week contract, initially for 6 months, though that may well be extended, on a PAYE or a self-employed basis. However, they need to be able to commute to a BH4 postcode. But what does the job entail? Well, as mentioned, it's on the second floor of a Bournemouth townhouse, and therefore someone would need to be fit and agile, working under the layout in cramped or stretching conditions, as that would be part of the job. They would need to work in the miniature world with tolerances down to 0.1 of a millimetre, soldering small electronic items, knowledge of SMD boards, and the knowledge of electronic components is essential. So someone who's mechanically orientated with demonstrable problem-solving skills. Diagnostic testing in both mechanical and electronic areas, and clearly nimble fingers are essential. However, previous model railway experience isn't required, training can be provided. Of course, they'd need to be a team player, being supportive, tidy and organised, and enthusiastic and keen to learn. So might you know someone who can fit this bill, someone perhaps who has recently retired, or might know someone with a background of audio and TV repairs, or maybe even jewellery repair and manufacture. Applicants who show promise can in turn come on down and show us their skills. So all you need to do then is use this email below and drop David a line. Good luck.